So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be super fun. And yes.
Yeah, I tell
Hello,
people
guys.
now.
And guys, this is gonna be fun. I'm glad you joined. This is the second session of Sports Summit, and with some wonderful authors with us. So the list, let me read it for you. We have Dr. Khan, Sunil, Manali, Deepika, Vishnu, Dr. Manika, and then Arjun and Advika. Advika is a small wonder. You love her, and they are joining soon. And thank you for joining this event.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Anshuman.
And
You
again,
gave us such a good opportunity.
yeah, and special thanks to the authors. See, most of people think you cannot write a book in 5 days. Forget 5 days. Most of people think not everyone can write a book in their lifetime, but you guys have done it in a week, in a week's time. So you deserve this. You deserve this,
Thank you.
all you authors.
Thank you.
Okay, so I won't waste much time, guys, because I know you have joined to interact with these new authors. You want to know more about them, their books, their journey, the writing journey. So I'll just pass it on to the authors. I don't want to take much time of yours. And again, I'll read up the list for you. We have Dr. Khan, Sunil, Manali, Deepika, Vishnu, Dr. Manika, and Ranu. Yeah. So yes, authors, it's all yours.
Yeah, we'll be starting like in any other. Ranu, are you starting or should I start?
Yes, I'm starting.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Just, mhm.
So, good morning, all beautiful souls out there watching me live right now. It's a great pleasure for me that I'm here and I'm talking about my book finally, because it was just a dream before, a few days before that we were wondering that yes, we are thinking about a title, a topic, and we were filling up pages day by day, just thinking that where can we publish our book. It was really a dream, but now it's true. So I was when I saw an ad, I was wondering, huh? Can we write a book in 5 days? I thought how it is possible. Like people take so much time to write a book, maybe 1 year. They are going some other places. They need silence for writing a book. Do not disturb me, something and other things. And I thought that I'm going clinic also. I'm attending patients. And my lectures were always there. So I was wondering, will I be able to do that? Then finally, I met Anshuman, and with him, you can write a book in 3 days. Also, he is the person who can make you believe in yourself that yes, I can do that, and I will. And I was super excited. Uh, First of all, I would like to share my reason that why I chose this subject and why I want to write on this subject, especially. Um I'm a doctor, and of course, working for wellness. Uh, my patients, my students also, they keep asking me about their health, especially about obesity, weight gain, the tummy, and other things. They keep asking me, ma'am, how can we get rid of that? Of course, I'll have to reply them because I am their doctor. So I keep talking to them that you can do this, you can do that, and so many things. But then I thought that yes, we'll have to. What can I do? Like I don't have much time for telling each and every person. Like so many people are there suffering from obesity and other health issues. But this was a golden opportunity for me to choose a subject like this? And it was a very funny subject, dear Tummy, when will you go? Because so many people keep asking about, oh my God, ये कब जाएगी? इससे कब छुटकारा मिलेगा? When will we get rid of that? Of course, uh, being chubby, being a little fatty is not a bad thing. Let me correct. But if you are having some health issues because of such things, so you'll have to think about that. And my book is not about what is metabolism, how you gain weight, and so many things. My book is about my experiences, that how I treat my patients, how my patients recover by themselves, not with me, not that they are not taking any medicine for that. Like we have so many medicines in market for you can lose weight in 5 days and other things. We have so many videos on YouTube also that you can melt your fat over a night. So many things are there, but still we'll have to think about that. Is it right, or are we doing good with our health? Because health is everything. So I'll have to choose that a subject I can write a book. It was not a 200 pages, 300 pages book. I don't want to write that. It was just a tribute to my, I want to dedicate it to my patients, especially to all my students worldwide. They keep following me on some social media handles, of course, and with my classes or my clinic, of course. So I started writing on this because some other notes were also available, like on anatomy, physiology, radiology, and some other medical topics. But I want to write on that. So, of course, when I asked Anshuman, can I write a book on a health topic? He said, why not? You can. And seriously, with the 14 hours of OPD and so many students, there were some lectures also because I'm a lecturer and a teacher also. So I was wondering, oh my God, एक अल्ताफ राजा का गाना था ना, यारों मैंने पंगा ले लिया. So I was feeling say that अब तो पंगा ले लिया है और कैसे पूरा करेंगे. But a person who was there, he keep talking to us and he said, no, you can do that. Don't think, just do that. And it was Anshuman. Thank you so much, Anshuman, again, because without you, I don't think it would be possible in 5 days. It was just a myth and a dream. And yes, I was really very confused because of my schedule. Like from 8 a.m. till 11 p.m., I was busy. And I was wondering, I have to quit. No, I can't write. I have to quit now. Maybe I'll write some other day, some next session. Maybe I'll join him some other month, maybe. So I keep thinking, but I was keep working on that also. So I was keep working. And I didn't tell anyone that I'm writing a book. It was a secret. Only one person who is here right now, and he knew that I'm writing a book. So he also motivated me too much that, Shaista, you can do that. Don't worry. Just keep writing. I'm here. If you need any help, I'll help you. And he was there always. Because on the same day when I was about to publish my book, my laptop was like, it was not working. So that person really helped me to manage all these things. And of course, Anshuman, he was so nice and so kind with us that I called him and I said, Anshuman, I'm having this kind of problems while doing these things. So he said, don't worry, Dr. Khan, you can send me and I'll make this thing possible. Don't worry, just. So thank you so much, Anshuman, because again, a good teacher can make everything possible, and you did that. And if someone asked me about the dedication that to whom I would like to dedicate my book, so there are very few people, like, of course, my patients and my students, but someone also very special in my life. I want to dedicate this book to him, and I want him to reduce his tummy very soon. And to my teacher, Anshuman, of course, and all people who love me, I need your support always. And I think I don't have much things to share, so I will rest my words here. And I would like to, like my other authors, my friends, to share their experiences also. So thank you so much, guys, for giving me this opportunity and believing in me. And we'll keep sharing our things with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Khan. So I understand being a doctor is not gonna be easy for you to. It was not easy for you to write a book in 5 days, and I know that you had OPD, you have students, and on the last day you met with some unpleasant things. It was difficult for you, I know, but still you did it, and especially the topic you have written. Dear Tammy, when will we go? When I first read the title, I was like, there might be some mistake. It should be where you should go, or something like that. But then I realized no, it was initially made when we'll go, which was, I love that thing. And most of, excuse me. And one thing I love about topic because as you said, if you go to YouTube, you can find hundreds of video on how to reduce belly fat. Okay, I don't know. Maybe some people think कि भाई गटर है एसिड डाल दो निकल जाएगा. I mean, come on, this is not how it is, right? And yeah, it's not about the body shape or it's not about body shaming. It's about being fit, right? And with proper diet, proper exercise, you can do it. And coming this from a doctor, where this world is, polluted by so-called gurus who know everything. When it comes to doctor, I'm sure they will help people. So thank you for choosing this topic. I mean, thank you very much for this thing. And special thank to the special person who is here. Uh, Thank you, sir, ma'am, uh, for helping her. And finally, she did it. And maybe it wasn't possible without you. So thank you. Okay, now, Sunil, are you there? Yes.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So I am Sunil Sheth. I am electronic engineer. Now I'm working as a product manager in Zoomcar currently. So I wrote this book on unwinding your emotions. So and I also been into startups. So in my startup journey, I learned a lot about emotions, how different emotions from anger, frustration, depression, we all feel throughout our life. So and also practicing meditation on the regular basis, I had a very strong understanding of how emotion works and what is the impact of emotion in our life. So I joined this 5 days a workshop. Before joining that, when I read this title, like 5 days, it put a lot of questions like how can someone write a book in 5 days? Like it's something, it takes months, it takes years of effort at times. So on the day one and day two, I was really thinking, what is that secret sauce that or that secret thing that Anshuman will reveal, and how we could write the book. So it was very great when we understood how we can write the book, and has a doctor said that just in 3 days also. So that technique was very valid, and whatever we want to write is something that it's not just a copy paste or something. It's our own hard work and our own thoughts that we are putting in the book. So then that time I started this topic of unwinding emotions was there in my mind from a long time. So I started writing this book. The main idea behind the book and the main concept that I'm trying to explain the book is, in our life, most of the times, whatever belief system that we have today is actually started with a thought, and that thought gradually went into action. Like most of the authors which are here, they all had a small thought like, I should write a book, or I should start writing a book. But there was no strong motivation behind that, like when I will start it, what is the factor, there could be a lot of self doubts. Even when we are when we start writing a book, there's a lot of self doubt, like who will read this book, whether I'm capable enough to write this book, and so on. So all this self doubts are actually stops us from writing a book. So how when someone some external influence like Anshuman can help us to put a positive values and strong belief system, and that stronger emotion that yes, we can write a book. So this emotion will turn into action, and once into an action, once we start writing a book, and once we start completing 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, that action will give us the feedback which will make our belief stronger that yes, I can write a book. And in step by step, as we keep writing pages on pages, and without even knowing, we have completed our book. So the whole concept in this book is how a small thought can lead to bigger results in our life. So that's where most we have a lot of the people around across with different fields, from doctor, engineer, CA, and all this stuff. So whatever we do in the professional life just starts with a single thought that I want to be a CA, I want to be a doctor, and then we start working on that. And today, that thoughts are our belief system here. Today we know that I can say I am an engineer. Someone can say I am a doctor. So how that starts with a small thought in our life, in a similar way, most of the things starts with this small thought. Like in this summit we have authors, but there were another 1,000 people who tend, like millions of people who must have thought that I want to write a book, but then they don't have the belief कि यार मुझे लिखना भी चाहिए. So they drop their idea out कि I can't be an author. So in a way, we have to understand what are the constructive thoughts in our life, and we should take a conscious effort to make them the reality. And those thoughts which are not helpful, which we know which won't help us in a life in a positive way, we should discard those thoughts. And how emotions help in understanding the thoughts, and we how meditation and self-talk, being self-aware of your thoughts, can help us to identify those things. So this is all about my book, and about unwinding your emotions, because once you understand yourself at the first place, then only you can conquer the world. The first person that you need to conquer in this world is yourself first. So the whole book is all about that. And the journey of writing this book in 5 days, well, I for me it wasn't 5 days. I took a lot of time, because when I wrote my first draft, I wasn't happy with that. So it took a more time for me. But and eventually I knew that I need to complete this book, because I have already put a lot of effort, and I need to. So I talked to Anshuman, like, I want to restart the journey. So he said, why not, let's hop into the next session. So I hope you guys will enjoy this book, and
Hello, that was absolutely amazing. It was great to hear Dr. Khan and Sunil speak about their books, and I'll surely read both their books. First of all, thank you so much, Anshuman sir, for inviting me, for making me a part of this Super Author Summit. It's an honor for me. I'm Manali Kale. I'm an artist. I'm an actress, a writer, and a dubbing artist. Till today, I had been writing only for channels and production houses and different people. So when we are writing for screen, there are so many people involved in the process of writing. You have to consult the channel people and the production houses, and sometimes the director as well. But I always thought that I should write something for myself. There should be something that I should convey to directly to my audience members, or directly to the readers. So that is why I thought of writing this particular book. And I think love is the most purest form of emotion to connect with strangers, to connect with a wide number of people. I think everybody connects with the feeling of love and relationships. So I thought it will be easy to write about relationships, because most of the time we discuss about our relationship with our parents or with our friends, and we try to put forward our point of view, and we think the other person is wrong, and I'm right in this relationship. And, we have these fruitless discussions most of the time. So I thought, why not, write all those discussions and all those thoughts in a book? And let's not try paint one person in the bad light and another person in the correct light. I think in relationships, nobody is right and wrong. Everybody is right and everybody is wrong. Everybody is flawed. So I have just tried to, paint a large canvas where three different characters who come from three different backgrounds, they come together, and what happens when their natures clash, their past, present clash with each other, and that's when the drama begins. So there are three different characters, starting with Manaswini, who is a young woman, and she is fiercely in love with a man called Oman. And uh, Oman is somebody who is struggling in his life with his financial stability and money problems. So, for helping out her boyfriend, she requests a friend of hers to give his boyfriend a job at his cafe. So the main plot line of the story is what happens when your boyfriend and your friend, who also was your ex-boyfriend at some point of time. So what happens when your boyfriend and your ex-boyfriend come together and they gang up and they become the best of friends? So how harmful is that for you, or how beneficial that can be for a person? So this is a kind of a love triangle, a situation where three different people are coming together, and all of them have different needs. Like Oman is struggling with his finances, he's struggling with his survival. Whereas Manaswini, she is stable, she has everything in her life, but she's struggling with her own self-esteem. So she has that problem. She has to find out her self-esteem, her worth as a woman. And then there is Parth, who is well off, who is very rich, flamboyant, and he has everything in his life, but there is no love in his life, and he's searching for love. So these three people having three different needs, they come together and their lives are, turmoil, and then the problems happen and the drama happens and the conflict is there. So I think people will relate with this story because everybody has experienced the emotion of love. We have been through breakups, and we have also loved people, one-sided love, and we have seen love triangles. So I think this is a very relatable book for everybody. And I have tried exploring the unconventional plot lines, the unconventional part of relationships. It is my personal opinion that in our society, especially female characters or women characters are not portrayed very genuinely, or there is no middle ground of female characters. This is what I think. Not all books or not all movies are in that way, but most of the times we see that either she is a perfect heroine or either she is a perfect vamp. So I have tried to bring that middle ground in my story, and I have tried to portray a flawed woman. She's extremely fierce. Yes, she's insecure. Yes, she is possessive, but she loves very fiercely. She loves with all her heart. So that is how I wanted to portray all three characters. And besides that, I have also experimented with the ending of the book. So there are not one, not two, but three different endings to this story, because I thought a, a concept of happy ending is different for everybody. So some people think that reuniting with their loved one is a happy ending for them. For some people, self-love is a happy ending. So I have included all different types of ending, and my readers will be choosing which end they prefer. So at the climax, the readers get an option like one, two, and three, and then they have to choose which ending they want, and that shall be the end of their story. So I have put on some, tadka of experimentation and tried to explore unconventional plot lines. And the journey of writing this book was extremely bizarre for me. And also, it was a great learning curve for me, because I had to unlearn everything that I had learned till now. I had to keep all my writing tools away. I had to keep all the structure and, the calculative mind away. So this book is not at all technically, perfect. It is not very well thought of, but I have just, allowed my emotions to flow on paper, and I have just allowed myself to be me and be very genuine with my readers. So that was the journey for me, and I want to thank Anshuman sir because, like he said in the very first session, he told me that you have to unlearn what you have learned in order to write this book. And what I like about him is he believes in doing things right now. You cannot do it tomorrow. You cannot do it day after. You have to do it right now. So this is what I liked about it, because I was not very confident that I could finish this book till 14th February. And I was requesting him that can I postpone the date till 19th? And he was like, no, 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 you have to write it on 14th. Whatever, is the condition, it's okay. You just publish it. And thanks to him, I was able to publish this book on 14th February. And I had no idea that I would get such overwhelming response. So right now it's on the best-selling position. And I just couldn't imagine that people will love this book so much. People will accept it, in such a nice way. People are actually, texting me and messaging me and telling me that, I like the first ending, or somebody is telling me that, no, no, the third ending is, right. And I like the third ending. So I'm actually enjoying all the feedbacks from the people. And at the end, I just want to say that, work is love made visible. So this is just my love for writing and my love for relationships in my life that I have made visible in form of this book. And I just hope that people will resonate with it and people will really like it. And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Manali. So, you know what? A lot of people think, I mean, okay, let me put it this way. People think if you're writing a book and if it's 60 pages or 100 pages or 30 pages, it's not worth it. Okay, which is first, I don't believe in this thing. Okay, it's all about value. But again, when for people who think that you can write a book of 30 pages in 5 days, Manal, would you like to tell the audience what the number of pages you've written in 5 days?
It's 312 pages.
312 pages, which in 5 days, guys. जिंदगी लग जाती है लोगों की 60 पेज लिखने के लिए. And this super girl has written 300 plus pages in 5 days, not even 5 days, right? So that is
Uh,
commendable. One thing that is common between you and Sunil, because my internet just ditched me for some time. I couldn't talk after Sunil this thing, though I listened to him completely, but I couldn't speak after that. But one thing that is common between you two is both your books are about emotion. Yours is fiction, his one is non-fiction, okay? But it's all about fiction. And being human beings, most of us, I would say all of us, are driven by fiction. No matter we say we are calculative, analytic, whatever, the first thing that you're driven by is emotion. One thing I remember when I was a kid, there was a matches box. Okay, I don't remember the brand of the matches, but one thing was written over there. There's some quotes. One quote was like, "Dreams are tiny seeds of success." Okay, the same thing. See, I don't remember the brand, the matches brand, but I remember the quote. Why? Because I could connect with that, and that was the quote. I would say, pushed me to become entrepreneur. Same thing in case of Sunil. Because of these thoughts, emotion, now he's what he is, right? So coming from entrepreneur, okay, I'm an engineer, so I know engineering में कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. So, but after that, it's up to you how you shape your life, and those are possible only with emotion, and the same emotion is responsible for your relationship as well. No matter it's with your family, it's your uh, loved one, spouse, or the boyfriend, or friends. Okay. So emotion is, I mean, this is, I don't know what to say. I'm just running out of words, right? Again, emotion is taking over my words. So thank you, Manali, for adding such lovely topic. And the best thing that I loved about the book is it's open-ended. So most of the books have one final climax or conclusion, but now I have never read a book where we have so many endings and readers can choose. So this is something unique I felt. So thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Deepika, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So, hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining. And I'm Deepika Pamar. By profession, I am a teacher. And I really thank Anshuman sir for helping all of us to write a book in just 5 days. Not only 5 days, in just 4 days, we completed our book and we published our book. So it was a very nice experience. And it was very exciting experience also. Initially, I was very confused, like what should I put, how should I put, what I will do, what I not do, whether people likes my book or not. Everything was coming in my mind, and nothing was like when I talked to sir, everything went solved, and I just started writing my book. And that point of time, I haven't think about any questions or any negative thing. I just keep on writing, and in just one night, 2 nights, I completed my book. Because whole day I am a teacher by profession, so I was teaching, I taking online classes. The whole day my whole day goes in teaching and classes and all. And I also have 5-year-old baby, so he also takes my time. In night I am free, so I just written my book in night. 2 nights complete, I wrote my book. And my book is about myself, and the book name is One Blessed Decision. So in my life, I took many blessed decisions which changed my life with an 180-degree angle. In this book, I just talk about in my childhood how I was fighting with the fear of studies. And when I grow up, after getting married, I was fighting with the self, like with the environment I went in, and how to tackle different persons with different mentality. How can I live in this area? And there were many more questions. And I know a lot of women like me are going through this problems. I see around myself also, like they fell down, they like depressed in their life, they just run away from the situation they are facing and everything. So one day I took one decision that no, this is all, and now I am going to change my life, and everything is going to be changed. And there are four main areas of our life: health, relationship, career, and money. And I talked about in my book about all these four areas. And in all these four areas differently, I take the use of law of attraction, which I learned just after taking this one blessed decision of my life. And after this, like I made an attitude of gratitude. I'm thankful to each and everything in my life, in all four areas of my life, even in health, in relationship, in career, in money. I thank to each and everything in my life. So this book is all about this, how we can change our life with a mesh to a perfect or a beautiful life. Because we are the only creator of our life. We many times we curse like our destiny is like this, भगवान ने हमारे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, हमारी किस्मत में ऐसा क्यों है. We always talk about this, हमारी किस्मत में तो यही लिखा है, हमेशा यही होना है. But when you took the responsibility of life, you can change everything. And this is all is my experience in my book, that how I changed my life with that one blessed decision of my life. And many people connected with me. I got a huge response from many people. And some of my friends are out of India. They also responded very like they are very crazy about my books, and very happy that you took this decision of writing a book. This is one more blessed decision in your life. So I'm very happy and very thankful to Anshuman sir for their hard work. They are like, he never leave you, even if you stuck anywhere. Like, he is there to hold you and hold your hand and pick you out from each and every situation, while writing the book, while publishing your book, and many more things. So thank you so much to Anshuman sir, and thank you so much to all the authors here who are there and helping, supporting, and also motivating. Main thing is motivation. First, initially when I joined, I took the gap of 1 week. I thought it is not possible for me. But when I saw the messages in the group that people are trying, people are writing, why can't I do that? So I just, in the next week, I thought, now this time I'm not going to leave it. I will do it. And I did it. And it was a surprise for my family. For everyone, it was a surprise because I haven't told anyone in my life. So it was a big and huge surprise for everyone, and they were very happy, and I'm really blessed. So thank you so much, Anshuman sir.
Thank you so much, Deepika. I think we are blessed to have you in our family. So, like uh, Manali said and like Sunil said, it all starts from a dream, start from a thought, start from emotion. But emotion don't work, dreams don't work, your thoughts don't work unless you take the action. And to take action, you need to take a decision. And your book is on decision, which is the key. Okay, with the next step. So it's like I can dream to be the richest man on this planet, but if I don't take action, I can't be, right. And
Right.
to take action, I have to take calculated decision, like the what I should do, what I shouldn't do. I'm not saying the decision are always right, but a decision is a decision, and that gives you result.
Correct.
So, and since you have shared your own life story, I'm sure people love it. People will, in fact, they loved it. That's the reason you are at number one best. So,
Right.
they loved it. But yes, more people can actually read your book and they can actually help themselves by reading your book. So, thank you so much, Deepika. And guys, we have one more kid, I can say kid. He's just 18 years old. Okay. Now, when I was 18, I used to do a lot of masti, a lot of kida. I used to कभी मन में आया तो पढ़ाई कर लिया वरना I used to do all kind of skidas. Okay. But this kid who's just 18, he has written a book and he just podcast. So Vishnu, are you there?
Of course, sir. Bhagwan ji is here. Yeah, so myself, Vishnu, and Ansuman sir say me like to be Bhagwan ji, and I'm so glad that I'm here. And all the people are so nice. I don't know how this whole thing will be going on. I'm so nervous, by the way, first of all. And yeah, like many people, when you have to meet amazing people like Ansuman, Deepika, Manali, and hello, आवाज आ रही है? Yeah, so that's the story. And first I don't want to be bore you. So the first thing that when I start writing a book, I don't think so I'm gonna do that. So Ansuman say, Vishnu, you should have to write a book. I say, yeah sir, I understand that, so don't tell me in that way. So then फिर मेरे को सर ने कहा कि आप ऐसे सोचो विष्णु, आप कर सकते हो. फिर मैंने 5-6 घंटे रिसर्च की. फिर आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग अबाउट कि अच्छी किताब से भी बढ़िया किताब कैसे लिख सकते हैं. फिर नॉन फिक्शन ऐसे किया. फिर बहुत सारी रिसर्च की और काफी मैंने कॉपी भी किया है, और क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं था. तो then the whole journey will be started. Then I grab more knowledge, I understand many things. और ऐसे फिर चलता गया. फिर मैंने लिख दी बस 5 दिन में किताब. एकदम बढ़िया किताब है, बेस्ट सेलर बन चुकी है अभी, और काफी लोगों ने पसंद भी किया है. 80 से ऊपर लोगों ने पढ़ा है, और आप सब लोग मतलब एकदम बढ़िया लग रहा है मुझे तो. एकदम मैं बढ़िया कहूंगा, मैं बोर नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन काफी मेरे को मतलब आनंद आया है. और सर ने जो भी अभी देख रहा है इसको, वीडियो यूट्यूब पे देखेगा कहीं पर भी, तो अगर आपको ऑथर बनना है, अगर आपने अंशुमन सर का ये कोर्स अगर नहीं लिया है, अगर ले भी लिया आप नहीं बन रहे हैं, तो फिर शायद आपको नहीं बनना है. तो मैं तो कहूंगा ये फैमिली ही एक फैमिली है, और काफी अच्छी बनाई सर ने ये फैमिली. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Vishnu. One thing you said, right? It's not a group, it's not a community, it's a family. सही बोला आपने. And yes, we are blessed to have you, have Bhagwan ji in our family. Okay. And again, Vishnu, like people think your book should be perfect. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
I really don't understand what perfection means. Right. So I'm a big fan of Amir Khan. Okay, and people call him Mr. Perfect. But I've also
Hmm.
seen Mangal Pandey. Right. So I don't understand what perfection is. It's a learning. It's a learning. If people have heard about Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, there is one saying, one thing he has said is all life is education, all life is yoga. So you learn till your last breath. The moment you stop learning, you're a dead man, right?
Hmm.
And a lot of people do this mistake. They run behind perfection and they miss productivity. They ignore productivity. And You did it. You did it. Though it's not a perfect book, but you still published your book, which is commendable. So thank you.
Mm,
Thank you, Vishnu.
thank you.
And then we have another Wonder Woman, Dr. Manika.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you, Anshuman, for giving me this platform to say something about my book and myself. So, hi, hello, viewers. This is Dr. Manika. Actually, I'm a fashion expert. I'm a designer, writer, as well as a research associate before. But now I'm just running a online venture of women clothing and accessories. So I had an idea of writing a book related to style because during my entrepreneurial journey, I found that women are especially conscious of their body size or their structures, their styling sense. So what I found that they have some clothing, very good clothing, they have very good accessories also, but they don't know how to mix and match and how to style their wardrobe. So I took that thing. I thought, why shouldn't I write that book related to that, how they can make their own personal style and build confidence in themselves that either they can be of any size, might be short, slim, fat. It depends like how you make yourself confident, how you can present yourself in front of the people. It's you can enhance your personality by just changing your clothing sense, as well as how to present yourself in front of others. Maybe it can be like even a housewife or even a small, any girl can she can express her personality just by improving her this person the dressing sense. So since I myself have also suffered this thing when I was like in my like 30s, 20s, 30s. I was also like bit plump, so I didn't know how to present. So although I have that dressing sense, but I found many women, they just don't know how to present themselves. They are very good in, they are very good in speaking. They're very good in like any other things, but they don't know how to present themselves. So I thought, why shouldn't I write a book related to that problem areas and guide them how to improve their dressing sense. So like even like this was not my field. I was into academics, I was into research before. I had written few articles related to, like I did a research project with you also for 3 years there. I That was my different domain, that was related to tourism. I was in finance and economics. I used to teach these management students finance and economics. I was into that field, but due to my personal issues, I left that profession. Then I get into this creative field because I was very creative from like during my childhood. So I thought like I need some break during that time. So I thought I should go into this field because where I could enjoy and I can explain the people how you can overcome your things, because I myself have suffered many issues during my those times, but I have overcome those things. And I really want to help women who are like very get less confident, or they don't find that they don't have skills, because I think every woman is having skills. They just don't know how to enhance those strengths, how they can overcome those weaknesses, because no one is perfect. I believe no one is perfect. All have some weaknesses, some have strengths, but they just have to explore those strengths, those skills which they know, which they someone have some do people know, some doesn't know. So we just have to explore those things. So like being a creative person, I think I should help those women who are lacking in these fields. So I just wrote this book, and it was the idea in behind this writing this book. See, this book is generally, it's all about it's for those women who are like, it's this book is not just about fashion and style. I have covered even related to health facts, the relationship secrets, because I myself have suffered, and plus related to the beauty hacks, makeup tricks, uh, plus even about the um, all how they can empower themselves. There are certain things like the creative skills, like related to poetry, related to like there was I have covered a one inspirational story of Rashmi Jain, how she overcome her few personal issues. I have covered that story also, how she overcome those things and became a fashion model. Like she was into some personal traumas, or maybe because of family, or maybe because of outside. So I covered that story, how she improved herself and get into this like empower. It's a concept of empowering women. I just want to empower women that they don't they can improve themselves and come out in the and show their skills, because no one is like, I believe no one is perfect. And just people keep pointing others that they have this weakness, they have this weakness. But I found me women are much more creative, much more stronger than men. That's what I feel. And it's just that they have to be someone motivate, someone could empower them, someone could motivate them, inspire them to build those skills and move ahead. So it's like it's a complete book for the women, especially for women, because it's coming like Women's Day. I just wanted to present this book on the next week also. So it's like when you read it, you will understand how you can improve your overall personality. It's not just about one aspect, it's about all aspects, your your creative skills, your designing skills. So even if you have some key pieces, some wardrobe items which you don't find them, these are waste, you can even recycle those things and improve the new things. You can even design for yourself. Once you get that thing, you can even design, you can help other women also. So it's a kind of women empowerment. I just covered those topics just to make women more confident, more empowered, and help other women too. So that's about. So for me, I would say in the last I would say style is both simple and complex. It's just the art of the art of striking the balance and mastering it. So it's especially for the women who really want to improve themselves. So that's all. It's all about that. Just I want go through this book, and it's available free till today, and grab the copy and improve yourself. That's it. Thank
Thank,
you, Anshuman.
thank you, Manika. Thank you, thanks a lot. So, basically, what I would say, that's the reason I called it the Wonder Woman, because most of the people they focus on one topic in a book, but we have covered multiple verticals, and that's the reason I call it Wonder Woman. And thanks for adding this book. Excuse me. In a country where people are very, conscious about the body shape and the styling thing. But if you see the small towns and everything, it will definitely help them. So I won't talk much about this book because I don't want to give a lot of spoiler. Every line that is written in this book has a deep meaning. So guys, you can just go and read the book. I'll not give you spoiler about this book. And guys, the Women Day is coming. The March is a Women's Month, we can say, and we have one more woman in this group who is gonna present next, and she's awesome. You'll love her. Ranu, are you there?
Yes, Anshuman, I'm absolutely here. Thank you, Anshuman. Thank you so much. Thank you, firstly, just not to Anshuman, but to also all my authors who have been in this journey with me. It's a very heartfelt gratitude and respect and thanks to all of you, because we all have been in this journey and we only know the kind of hard work we have put in. Those all nights we have been awake working together. I don't think so. There is a myth that when you are only physically together, then that such magics can be created. So we really made it possible, even doing it virtually. So even if you are not publishing your book, and still you get the support of your other, friends there out there, just being with you to ensure that yes, you are able to do your work. It talks a lot about this family we are in. So yes, thank you everyone. So about me, I am Ranu Khandelwal. I have been in the journey of working in the corporates. Uh, Earlier working as into a corporate, and then afterwards I moved on to freelance, have my now own company, and I work under my company for the corporates, for also individuals and also institutions, colleges, all kinds of work, which is mostly related to is leadership and personal development. So when I say leadership and personal development together, it is only encompassing is everyone I see has a leader inside them. It's just that they do not, they're still not connected with it. So my book is all about this. In this whole journey of 16 years, I have coached people, I have mentored people. I have also been one of the other side where I was coached and mentored. And in this journey of how I encompassed, how I saw people, how they brought in, the elements in my life, which made me today what I am, and through which I have been able to help others become what they are today. So you'll find a lot of small stories in the form of coaching incidences, and you would find a complete a process of how you can, if you just read the book and follow those steps, you can move to becoming a leader inside. You can just connect to that leader inside you. So be it a girl, be it a man, be it a Advika girl, someone who is just 10 years old, someone who is 18-year-old boy, someone who is a woman, whether she's a homemaker, whether she is just a college girl, whether she is also working somewhere, or she's given up all work and now she is just managing her own home and kids. It's all there inside you. You just need to find that inside you what it is that you are doing, which is the way of doing leadership. So small things are there. My own home, I used to see my mom, my dad, how they managed, how my mom used to behave like a leader and ensured certain aspects of life which gave us that power, that gave us that confidence, that how we can live our life with that confidence. And how my father, managing men, by the way, girls, women, I'm sure if any woman can manage a man, well,
Yeah.
then she already is, their epitome of being a leader. So it's more, it's a very not at all biased towards any kind of gender. It is very gender neutral. This book is what talks about is just a journey of a corporate person. If you are in that space, that whether you are in your 20s or you are in your 30s, or you are into your midlife crisis, where you are thinking that, okay, I did something, I've seen, I myself was there sometime, few years back, that I did something and now that's not working for me. And it's absolutely okay. All right, if it is not working, you need to understand yourself. You need to understand your own inner person, who you are, and then move up to making that life which is a very fulfilled life, knowing your purpose, your deep core purpose, who you are inside and why you want to do certain things the way you want to do. Then you would connect to that real person and move in that journey. So leadership is just not about getting work done, dictating people, and creating that atmosphere and pushing people towards goals, achieving. It is not that. Leadership is beyond that. It is a very, I would say, it's a connection with your own self and to the spiritual being there. It is that level in the space which this book will actually take you to. So first thing a person when a child is born, the person born connects to is himself or herself and the mother, because that's where the child is always inside the mother. So when the child comes into the world, that connection he already has it. And with lot of things which happens in that journey of the way the child is the upbringing of the child, the society, the all those authority figures in the person in the child's life, and school, education, everything slowly moves that person to becoming something else which he actually isn't. So if you just go and follow the process, you would connect to that inner core self of your own. And when you connect to that real person inside you, that's when you know what you want from life. That's exactly when you know how to deal with people. And that peace, that calmness, that, okay, whatever happens around you, all chaos, you are not affected because you know yourself so well and you are so well connected to the energies that you don't need anyone to move you. You're just moving on your own. And that is the beauty of being a leader. That's where this takes you. This is the journey of your spiritual connection. I don't mean spiritual connection as in religious connection. Spirituality is more to do with connecting to your own self, knowing your own self, being self aware about your own self, your own behaviors. Why do you like blue? Why not red? Or why yellow? Why you eat certain food? Why you don't feel like eating certain food? And all the ways your body keeps responding to it. By the way, we always get that signal. Dr. Shasta has written book on body, and even Manika talks about your body shapes, and how we are not accepting. The whole problem comes from non-acceptance towards our own self, and that's where this book will help you work on yourself. So that's all I can say in very, very short. So, see, leadership and learning, it is something which is hand in hand. And they are both, they are the same, two sides of the same coin. If you stop learning, you stop growing to be a leader, because the leader will always keep growing continuously in his learning and also evolving as a person. This is very, very fine, minutest thing. So I am a coach. So now I can say proudly, thanks to Anshuman, author, and I'm also a behavioral trainer. I coach people in the corporates, in the executive levels, also in the midlife crisis level. I also independently coach a lot of women who come to me on their various aspects of life, mostly to do personal development, growth journey, transaction analysis, which that program itself is a self-learning process of finding your own self, which is a beautiful program. If anyone interested can connect with me. And apart from that, I do a lot of programs for college students, which is something to their own development, because I know this can be changed right there in that space. If it is changed right there in that space, is multifold, much better human being. In fact, yesterday night, I was having this conversation with one of my friends, and she was saying that, our parents' generation, they only earned money. We as a generation are also enjoying money. What would happen to our children? So I said the spirituality connection is also reducing. If you see, midlife crisis, earlier it used to be 40 plus, now it happens between, in the 30s range itself. So with our children who are still young, you will see the spiritual connection happening way much more earlier, somewhere around 25 to 30, around that time. So this is all about the way you are developing as a person continuously in that progressive journey of your own life. So that's what it is, and that's the intention behind writing that. That so many people who are not in their awareness, what they are doing, why they are doing, and they keep going for small, influences in their lives, and somewhere they are lost. And then that's when they start realizing midlife crisis. So when this lockdown happened in April, I got to connect almost 6 months. I connected to 50 plus people, and 50 plus people, when I connected to them, they all went into a journey with me of just being aware about, wow, what is happening outside and how they're getting infected, affected inside. It's nothing but it's inside them itself, which is affecting them outside. Because somewhere in that journey, I also was getting influenced and getting affected. So this all is the experience of these coaching I have done with these people, and the way I have helped them come out, on their own to find the true ways and paths in their lives, not feeling fulfilled, feeling very, very disconnected with your existing job. You feel that you have more potential, you're not being able to do more in life. You feel that your current job is not giving you enough. I'm not able to use my skill sets, and then you also sometimes feel that people are ganging up against me. These are all lot to do with emotions, just what Sunil wrote about. There's also a lot to do with the way your thought process is moving, and your non-acceptability about your own self. So it's in a connection with everything. That is what takes you there. So thank you, Anshuman. It's been a great journey. I think so. You have the magic was done right from the day one when he said that go and announce it to the world that you're writing a book. So I wanted to write this book since almost a year, and just got to write few pointers here and there, and putting it all together. But when I did this with Anshuman, I realized it's actually not difficult. It is just going into that mindset, going into that spiritual level of mindset, and it just flows automatically in your mind and through the words. It just flowed. I never had to think once also that okay, is this right or is this wrong? I just knew everything was there. Just like imagining it, the whole structure came in right in front of me. So thanks, Anshuman. Though I took 2 weeks, the purpose was to, there is still a doubt. Always you have कि नहीं नहीं यार अभी और करना बाकी है इसमें नहीं let's do it again. Let's give some more time. Let's give. So all the reasons I gave to Anshuman, and he was just quietly listening, and then he said, "अच्छा बताओ मुझे, when are you publishing?" That kind of tricked me, and I said, "Okay, I'm doing it now today, this time today," and then. Thank you, Anshuman and the team. This would not have been possible without this family, that is for sure. Deepika, even Vishnu, I mean, Manika, you all have been there supporting us consistently, even in the group. I mean, the kind of help we get just to go in this journey and finish this work is amazing. Till the T, till the end. Who sits with you whole night, right at from 9 o'clock till morning 5 to ensure that your book is gone live? Not just on Kindle, also published on the Notion Press. Hats off, Anshuman. You're doing a fabulous job.
Thank you, Ranu. Thanks for the kind word. I really appreciate. But again, as I always say, I can only show the path, but you guys actually walked. You walked the walk. So thank you for doing it. Thank you for believing in my vision, believing in my strategy, and you did it. So congrats. And one thing I would like to add is on your book, leadership. You said everyone is leader. I completely agree. And one more thing I would like to add is to be a great leader, you have to be a great follower, right? So you have to, I'm not saying follower of someone else, but you have to follow yourself, your dream, your vision, yourself, right? Your true self. So that's the key point, and that's the reason we all are here. We all are leaders, right? And you have mentioned this in your book, basically. So yeah. So thanks for adding on this topic. And guys, I can see there are some people asking queries in the chat. So guys, we'll open the Q&A in some time, and you don't need to write in the chat. You can directly turn on your camera, unmute yourself, and you can ask question to the authors. You are all free. No one is stopping. But before that, I would like to introduce one more person over here. So when I magic, okay, uh, what if I tell you we have someone who's much younger than Vishnu, and that wonder kid has written a book. So, Advika, are you there? Advika? Hey, Advika, it's all yours.
Hello.
So she's Advika, the youngest author of this batch. And yes, Advika, over to you.
So, likely, my mother told me that sleep is too late, and tomorrow you have school. But I was like, no, I will complete the whole book and then I'll sleep. So then I had to write. I was writing a story of a girl, a robber, who had a good mindset, who wanted to help the poor by robbery. And she had no other option. She did not want to be anyone else. She just wanted to be a robber and help the poor. Then she did many ways to rob the prince's cabin and many more things. Then one day she touched a jewel, and the jewel changed her life. As soon as she touched the jewel, she turned into a police. Her mindset turned very positive. So then she thought that why don't I be a police? I can still do helping the poor. So then she became a police. She Then she was rocking at the police, and nobody knew that she was a robber before. And her enemy in the police department was like Mr. Lai. His name was Mr. Lai. So he hated her. He was jealous of her. And so he found out the truth that she was a robber. He told it to everyone else. Everyone was shocked onto hearing that because they had liked her a lot. She was like very professional into that field. And then finally, she showed her that why she used to do robbery. And then everyone got emotional when she told that she does robbery for the poor. She has a mission which is robbery and like helping the poor. And so everyone were like, we are cops, but you are more than a cop. So, yep. And then finally they said it was Kimaya's birthday on 5th October 2020. And they gave her a surprise party, and she said that today I want my birthday to be celebrated every year on 5th October as a day of compassion, where everyone will help the poor in any way. They will help the poor by compassion. They will be very loving to them. They will give them food, clothing, whatever they need. So the moral of my story, like my moral of my book, is that it does not matter what you do. Like if you are a housemaid or anything else, it just matters what's inside. If it's full of compassion, your heart is full of compassion, then you will go in the field of like being good in life. But if you just are very jealous, greedy, then you can't do a lot. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Advika. Advika, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years.
Yeah.
So at this age, you are coming over this kind of story, and with the moral, hats off. You are, I mean, I don't know what to say. I can see you Wonder Girl. I mean, yeah, beyond that. Hats off to you, better. Love
Thank
you.
you.
And the story that she just explained, guys, actually she narrated the entire story. But if you read that book, it's written in a way you'll love it. I mean, you should do it. I mean, it's not about the story, it's about the way she has written it. Okay, so okay, guys, I'll share the link to the WhatsApp group. So we'll be sharing the links to all the story where you can get all the books in the WhatsApp group. So here I have shared the link. You can click on the link and join the WhatsApp group, and we'll share all the books in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and yes, congrats, Advika. Congratulations. And now it's time for the Q&A because I know people are asking a lot of questions in chat. So guys, it's over to you. You can ask anything to your authors. Ufera, um, Dr. Raghu, asking something. So you can just unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yes. Hello.
Hey,
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ufair Anwar Patel. I would like to ask question to Dr. Shaista Khan, ma'am. Is she is here?
uh,
Yes, I'm here, Ufera.
Yes. First of all, I would like to congratulate you, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am.
you so much.
Ma'am, my question is how. Hello.
Yes, I can listen.
Yes, ma'am. My question is, how was you managed to write this book with your busy schedule? Because I know your all activities and schedule. So please tell me how you will how you manage it.
Now I manage. It's a very tough question. Of course, I just told about my schedule that it started from 8 a.m. and ends with 11 p.m. And mostly I reached home around 12 a.m. So of course I don't have much time to write a book, but me, Ranu, Vishnu, Manali, Manika, everyone, Advika, of course. So all हम लोग सब जाग रहे थे कि नहीं कंप्लीट करना है काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन के ना तो हम लोग कर रहे थे एंड वन डे आई वाज इन September and my assistant came and she asked me, ma'am, can I ask you something? I said, yes, please. So she said, ma'am, I don't know, but for the last 2 days you are just keep talking to yourself in your cabin. So can I ask you, ma'am, if you don't mind, can I ask you that what's going on? Are you okay? Is there any problem? I said, no, I'm working on a project. That's why. So I didn't tell her that what I'm doing exactly. Now she knew that about what I was doing then. So of course it was not an easy work, but not very tough because Anshuman was there. You don't have to work like, oh my God, we can't do this and we won't be able to do that and other things. And because when you think that you can, and you will do that. Like Advika is just 11-year-old and the girl is publishing her book. I was in school, I can't even imagine that I can publish a book, but she did it finally. Even so many are friends from our group 5 DSC. They're doing a tremendous work, so I'm nothing in front of them, I think, because they also really they work hard. They also have work in offices, at home also, but still they are working. So, of course, it was a tough journey, but now finally, finally, the book is there, and everyone likes that so much. So, thank you so much, guys, and thank you, Farah, for this question and so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
And
sir.
I want to add one more thing over here.
You're muted, Anshuman.
Yeah, the host muted me. Satya, you muted me. Okay. So, Ufair, to answer, to add one more thing to this thing.
Yes.
See, this journey is not easy, right? Writing, in time, 2 मिनट में बिरयानी बनती है, मैगी बनती है. अगर बिरयानी बनाना तो मेहनत तो करना ही पड़ता है, right? So it's all about that. Hard work and strategy, you can do anything, but yes, you need both the things. Just wanted to add one more line to Dr. Khan. So thank you for question, Ufera. And I think you have a question for Anu as well. Ufera. Okay, I seen Venu and
You ask it wrong.
Yes. Hello, sir.
yeah, Ufera.
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to congratulate you that you have guided many authors and finally they have completed their books in just 5 days. And I got inspired from here. And I also wish to write a book. Can I, sir?
Sure, you can. In fact, I believe everyone should write a book because see, the only difference between us and other species, other animals is we know how to talk, we know how to write, and we know how to share our learning with the world with help of
Yes,
technology. Uh,
yes, sir.
dogs, cats, even lions, even zebras, giraffe जो सबसे लंबा है आज के डेट में, even they can do it that we can do. So it's our responsibility to share our learning. बाकी पैसे आएंगे जो भी है that's fine. So I believe everyone should write a book, and yes, I'll share the link to join the challenge in the chat. Before that, if you guys have anything to ask your authors, please ask. And also we have a query, not query, a poll where you can vote for your favorite author in this group, and then we have some surprise for them as well, because they have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have some surprise for them. So I think Satya will share the link in the chat, and you can vote for your authors. And meanwhile, you can ask anything to the authors.
But before that, like Venu has one question. Maybe I don't know whether he's there or not, but I can read out to Ranu.
Yes, Satya, I read that. So very good question, Venu. Thank you for asking that. Somewhere I think so I missed it to share. So the question Venu has asked is, how is my title related to my, book? So mad, madder, and maddest. People who are in the journey to be that leader, who really want, to attain a successful, fulfilled life, in all respect of their life, just not um, money, also relationships, also your health, also your own spirituality, and having good friends, community, and being there. For all that, there has to be some madness inside you. If you are not that mad enough to achieve that, you would never be able to move ahead in that journey. And the journey begins from you start being mad. And by the time you reach your goal, you become the maddest. That's how all leaders, if you see, are. When they have started, every idea of theirs, every thought of theirs were considered to be very mad. This is a mad guy or a mad idea. It's not something very resonating to them in every sense. And then when that idea started growing on people, it was more maddening, you see, and then they became the maddest because they kind of can disconnect from all that is, more not at all required in their lives. They suddenly only connect to those few elements in their lives which actually makes them happy there. And when you are happy inside, when you start loving inside you, that's when you can give happiness and love to others. Otherwise, you cannot. Then you just keep attracting those people from whom you want it. You want it. You just want that. It's actually all inside you. Everything is inside you. So, mad, madder, maddest, that's what it is.
Yeah,
Even,
got it, Ranu. It's. I think you must be. You must want to tell that the leaders are crazy people, right?
not crazy, they're really mad people. So,
It's
it's
a great
really,
one. I have downloaded the book and yet to start reading. So I'll definitely do that and put my reviews on Amazon as well.
thank
And one
you
more thing,
so
I
much.
would like to ask the other people as well regarding this writing. You have come up with a concept of writing a book in 5 days. So I would like to ask how the quality would be managed if you do this on rapid basis. So would you be able to manage the quality, the grammatical part, and some kind of missing parts? So many things would appear like when we do the things rapidly. So is it possible to manage all these things to deliver the quality output in 5 days, or you depend on the other copywriters kind of people?
Can I give the answer?
Yeah, sure, madam.
Yeah. So yeah, no one is there to help us. We did all the work by ourselves. We designed from cover page to the end. We did everything. Each and every person here did everything by themselves, and we managed each and everything within 5 days. And you can also learn this from Anshuman sir because he is there to guide us what you have to do on first day, what you have to do on the next day, and with the help of this like a perfect plan, we can go each and every day, and that's how we reach like writing a book, complete book in just 5 days.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, this is Makar. I would like to add to what Deepa said. You might have heard this saying in Hindi. There is a saying called "Karbuje ko dekhkar kharbuja rang pakadta hai." So this is exactly what Anshuman has designed it. So once you see like everyone is sharing, right? Once you see some other person is doing it, right? So you will automatically get that. Yeah,
Great,
that's
Manoj. Nice to hear you.
Yes, see, again, it's a teamwork. I think that this family is more about teamwork. When you are struggling, even at 2 o'clock, in the night, and you want help, just message it in the group. The help is there, even at 2, even at 4, even at any time of the day or night. if you are in their journey. That's the kind of support, that's the kind of teamwork we do with each other. It's not been an easy journey, trust me. I mean, awake for 3 nights continuously, and still having those sleepless nights of working on your own, doing editing, everything you're doing on your own. And so the true leadership skill of writing the book, we got it from here. Anshuman made us be that leader to do everything on our own and publish it. So that's the beauty, and very, very inspiring this is. And we can't really explain you. This is not said in words. This
Yeah,
has
I
to
can
be
understand
experienced.
you when you said this is a kind of family. I can understand this.
So
The
it
kind
is
of
an
amazing support
experience.
what you have mutually got inside this group. It's amazing.
So experience it by joining it. And
Sure, sure.
I always like Anshuman saying this very, very beautifully, that he got influenced for this Women's Day. He's doing a Women's Week only for women. He's helping women to write books. And he said that it inspired me because there was one woman who said that I'm just a housewife. How can I write a book? And this is very true, Anshuman. Women, not only just women, any person, they just feel like they are just that. They don't see the larger picture they have inside them. They're just not a woman, a housewife. They're just not a wife. They're just not a friend. They're just not a mother, or a husband, or just a one designation in your company. You're beyond that, and you have not yet actually learned the real who you are. That is what is important. And these are few things which you do in life, just like writing a book. It is actually what you're doing. It's this book I wrote is this actually for myself. It's not anyone to do. And the proudness I have on my own self of doing this, it's something, even if I have thousands of followers, make me feel this. It is something has to happen inside me. That's a magic.
So, madam, don't you target any monetary kind of things related? If you publish a book, you must be having some, you must be putting some target of sale kind of things. Would you do that, or you just publish only to just impact the audience?
So there are different people write books for different reasons. I'm sure everyone wants to monetize, everything what they do. So for me, this book is more to connect to my own audience,
Oh,
my
great.
own tribe, my own community, people who
Right.
are at this space. So when they join my program, I always have to give them a lot of things. For me, it is just giving this book and starting the journey with them. All right, and I have to tell you, Anshuman has many plans even to help people monetize it. How to
Oh.
go about doing it,
Great.
how to what all you can do, small things at your own. This is the most important thing. Simple things, the way you can do just to grow yourself. It's life is simple. It's actually very simple, and that's how you're making money is also very simple. Don't complicate it.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And I would like to add one more thing to this. I always say this. I mean, all of them have read this, heard this thing multiple times. Obviously, we are putting in the hard work and we're writing a book and we want to monetize it. Okay, no one is denying that. At the same time, if you have the strategy, you can earn more money by using your book rather than selling your book. Right? So we discuss those things as well. So it's not only about selling your book; it's about using your book.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is all about.
Thanks, Anshu.
Anyone has any more queries? So guys, it will be better if you can just unmute yourself and ask this query, क्योंकि chat में पढ़ना थोड़ा सा difficult होगा मेरे लिए.
Okay. Hi, Anshuman. I have a question for Vishnu. So I saw you have done more than 60 to 70 podcasts. So when are you sharing your podcast journey?
Hello.
Hi, Vishnu. We cannot hear you.
Yeah. Hello.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ सुना दे रहे तो पॉडकास्ट जर्नी हाउ आई मैनेज
Yeah, how
तो
are you? When are you going to give those secrets of how to do podcasting, and how are you managing all these things?
yeah, it's like when you write a book on like just in 5 days, and like managing podcast is not a big deal, I think.
Okay.
Like, yeah, it just you have to be started from Anchor application, and it's so easy. You have to interview amazing personality. I think Anshuman, Renu ma'am, Deepika ma'am, and all these many other doctor. They talk about a lot. You are a big personality. I'll be invite you on my podcast also. So there is many things you should have to start. Download the Anchor, then invite people on there and talk with them and enjoy the conversation. That will make your like podcast and all these things. It's so easy. You have to try it and enjoy it. Is that any other query that you should have to be privately message me? We all talk. Yeah, it's too easy, I think. Sorry, but yeah, it's too easy.
Thank you, Vishnu. Oh no, I think you got your answer.
It's not that
Yes.
text me, we talk. Yeah.
You're muted, Anshuman.
Okay. Do you have any more questions? Anyone? No? Yeah, please.
Ufera,
Yeah, you can ask.
Yes, hello sir. हेलो
Yes, Ufera.
यस सर यस सर हमने सबका तो शेड्यूल सुन लिया है सबने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर लिए बट सर मुझे आपका सुना है कि आपने कैसे मैनेज किया इतने लोगों को गाइड करते हुए अपना शेड्यूल कैसे मैनेज किया एंड किस तरह से गाइड किया
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for asking this question. So, if you see, I mean, go to this thing and see what I do. It's not the only thing I do. So I have different line of business as well. But this is something. So I'm on a vacation now. Okay, I'm on a month-long vacation. Uh,
सर योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियरली ऑडिबल सर
is it better now? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay. So I was saying, I'm on vacation now. I'm for a month-long vacation, right? But I'm still on this event because these two things, okay, especially the 5D challenge, this is very close to my heart, right? And for that, I push my limit. I don't mind pushing my limit, right? So yes, I sleep for what 4 hours every day, maybe sometime less than that. Thursday I do a night out with amazing authors like people we just met. Yeah, I love doing it. That's the reason I do it. And when you are passionate about something, you find ways. So I meet a lot of people. Okay, they message me and they say me, we don't have time to do something. Okay, I don't buy that point. If you're passionate about something, you really want to do something, you will find time. And if you're saying you don't have time, you're lying to yourself,
एग्जैक्टली सर
right? So yes, I can do it because I'm passionate. I hope that answers it.
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर
Most welcome, Opera. And thank you for asking this question because yes, I think people will stop saying I don't have time. They'll manage this time.
Yes, Anshuman, we heard this all through those 5 days.
So I think we are done. And so guys, we'll wind up now. And if you have any question, I'll share the WhatsApp link again.
Yeah, Anshuman, can you please brief me about your program so that if anybody interested can join?
Yeah, I'll do that. Don't worry. So, but for now, I have shared the WhatsApp link in the chat, so you can join that link, all of you. And if you have any query, you can ask over there. We'll answer that. Yeah, and also we'll share the link to all this amazing book in this WhatsApp group, so you can just go and read that. Now, coming to this session, it's a 5 day session. The day one is the day when you do ideation thing. Okay, so we find out the topic that is right for us, okay, for you basically, and then we design the cover, the description, and the metadata kind of thing. Day two is the content day. Okay, so on day two we prepare the content of the entire book, that to be without writing a single word. and that's the beauty of this workshop. Day 3 is for editing, proofreading, and everything. And day 4 is the publishing day, the launch day. So we start at 9 o'clock in the evening, and we don't stop until all the books are published, both in Kindle and paperback. And day 5 is celebration. We celebrate this journey, and yes, we share the tips and tricks like how to make the most use of your book. That is on day 5. And on day 7, that is on Sunday, here we are in this summit. I hope that answers your question. If you have
Amazing, amazing. It's unbelievable, Anshuman. Completely unbelievable.
unbelievable, okay, but it's fact.
Yeah,
You have seen people in front of you.
yeah. I could see.
A lot of people don't believe it. I mean, I see a lot of people commenting on my ads like this isn't possible, and I'm like, okay, if you think it's impossible, I can't help you. Either you try it and fail, or you don't try and don't achieve anything. It's up to you,
Sure, understand.
right? Yeah. So, guys, I think that is good now. And if you guys have any question, you can ask in the group, or you can give me a call. And yeah, I'll try since I'm on vacation. because बहुत time है अभी बहुत free time है. So most probably I'll attend your call and I again talk to you. Yeah. So that's it for now, guys. I'm sharing. Okay, Satya shared the link to the challenge if anyone wants. And
Anshuman, I just want to ask something.
yeah, Monica.
The last the course, these 5-6 days programs you have mentioned, it is all about what? Like I missed something actually in
No, we
initially.
are just discussing about the program you have just completed, the 5,000 challenge.
Okay. Okay, any other program will get like any other meet or any other this promotional campaign would go on for this Women's Day? I just want to know.
Yes, there are a couple of things I have in mind. There are on books. I'll share that with you guys in the family.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So that's it, guys. So, see you next week again. Yeah, since you have the WhatsApp group, you have the WhatsApp group. You can join next week. Also, you can meet the authors, new authors, and next week is gonna be women's special. So you will see some Wonder Women and Superwomen, and you can talk to them. And yes, also can share the link to join the challenge. If you want to publish your book, feel free to join in. I'll see you on Monday. Okay, see you. Take care.
Okay, thank you, Anshuman.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.